In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expenses in Xero. If you're looking to streamline your expense management and keep an accurate record of your business transactions, this guide is for you. Let's get started with the first thing you need to do, which is logging into Xero. Navigate to the Xero login page and enter your login credentials. This will bring you to your dashboard, which acts as the command center for all your accounting activities. Once you're in, the next step is to head over to the Expenses section. On the top menu, click Business. Depending on the nature of your expense, you have two paths to follow. If you're dealing with personal or business expenses, choose Expense Claims. On the other hand, if your expense involves entering supplier costs, you'll need to go to Business, then click on Bills to Pay. Now that you've reached the right section, it's time to create a new expense. In Expense Claims, you'll see an option to click Plus New Expense. If you're in the Bills to Pay section for supplier-related expenses, then you'd select New Bill. It's all about selecting the right option that reflects the nature of the expense you wish to record. With the expense entry page open, you'll need to fill out the necessary details. Key fields to complete include who the expense is from, whether it's a supplier or an employee, along with the date of the expense. Provide a brief description indicating what the expense was for. Then select the appropriate account code like office supplies, travel, or meals. Don't forget to include the amount spent, taxes if applicable, and for expense claims, the method of payment you used. To enhance record keeping, attaching receipts is optional but highly recommended. This can be done by clicking Upload File or Attach Document. Here you can upload a scanned receipt, photo, or PDF document that verifies the expense. When you've filled in all the details, you have the option to save or submit the expense. If you're entering this on your own accord, simply hitting Save will do. However, if you're submitting this on behalf of a company, you may need the extra step of submitting it for approval to your manager or accountant. The final step in this process is about reimbursement or recording the business payment. Once the expense has been approved, it can either be reimbursed to an employee or logged as a business payment. This reconciliation is often managed through the Bank Accounts section in Xero, ensuring that your financial records remain accurate and up to date. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on adding expenses in Xero. I hope this tutorial makes managing your expenses easier, ensuring you keep your business running smoothly